Hello, welcome. This is my welcome to my workshop. This is where I do my woodworking, using these items and tools to make items for use of others and myself as well. So let me give you a tour, a show around the workbench. This is my workbench. These are some of the things I use to make the items that I mentioned at the start. This is a metal with a wood section as well, so you can use that. There are various other useful things and items to use. This is poke, and then also there's a hammer, and it's very simple. When you get used to how to work them, you can just simply, and that's the first thing that you can learn to make in my workshop. And we have other things like the robot man. Robot helps you to calculate with its dick, small and then also becomes big. And then other things that we have include a knife, and with a knife you can just do simple things helping you to progress, like this. You can sharpen or musical instrument, make attention, gather attention for people, all sorts of things. So this is some of the wood that you can make and work with, and then you just can simply, basic joint, just put that in there, and then you've got your first tool. Anyway, thank you for watching my videos and coming to my workshop. But there will be plenty more where that came from. Goodbye.